Welcome back. And today we're going to answer the question: what Navy Federal credit card is the most valuable credit card? All right. What NFCU credit card is the most valuable credit card? All right. So, right here, the cards that we're going to be competing with are the cards that I have personally had. I have not had the platinum or the go rewards. All right, so we're just gonna go with the cards that I have personally had the four. So our competitors today are going to be the M Rewards card, the Cash Rewards card, the More Rewards card, and the Flagship Rewards card. All right, and I want to start off by saying that this is a very hard, and I mean extremely hard video. Um, as they're all four great cards. All right, all four of these cards are great. And I'm going to be completely honest with you, I haven't even fully decided which one is the winner yet. All right, so we're looking at these four cards, and now it's time to really decide the winner. So when I look at the cards, I always remember this as being the card that started the journey. This is the card that set it off. This is the card that got me my footing with Navy Federal. I look at it as this card holds a large place in my heart, just because it was my first secured card. It was my first secured card with Navy Federal. And it really opened my eyes to the world of credit and made me think a lot differently and helped me learn a lot. And I think that this card was great, because it allowed me to relearn credit, and learn it properly. It allowed me to train myself. It allowed me to really understand credit and build and grow into what we've got now on this channel today. So I see a lot of value in that card. Okay. Now there, as far as the card itself, while I had it the whole time I had it, I probably only got $50 in rewards, like cashed the card out one time the whole time that I had it as a secured card. Now, on the other hand, we have my cash rewards card here. Now, my cash rewards card was my upgrade from my N rewards card. So, as far as significance, this is my first unsecured Navy Federal card. It had a decent limit, $2,500 a day. It got unsecured, and 1.5% cash back. So I think that this was a pretty good card to have, and I really liked it along my journey, because of the instant cash outs, because I could purchase something and then I could take the money that I got from purchasing that item and put it in my bank account and then pay it towards the statement balance on this card, and it allowed me to be able to never have to really worry about missing a payment, because I was always able to have those little dollar here dollar there adding up, until it would actually pay off most of the minimum payment, and that always worked out great, so I never really had to worry about that. Then we had the more rewards. This was my first high limit card with Navy Federal. This is my first card that I got a sign up bonus with. When I got this card, I believe it was a sign up bonus of $350, or it may have been 300. I have cashed out this card a few times because I do use it mostly, compared to any of my other Navy Federal cards. I was using this card daily at one point. So since I've used it more often than my other Navy Federal cards, this card is great for gas. It's great for groceries, just everyday spend. So I think this card definitely kind of wins in that everyday category of, if there's a card that I had to pick up to walk around with every single day for the things that I typically purchase, it's going to be this more rewards card. Now, this last card, was really my first travel card and my first top tier card. Initially, I wasn't doing a lot of traveling or anything like that. So I never really, thought about it that way. It was just more of a status thing to me because I wanted to have it for the status and for the channel. And of course, that is the flagship card. Um, however, since I've gotten the flagship card, I've been able to get so much value from this card. The flagship card, when I got it, that's actually when I learned about being able to negotiate your interest rate. So they dropped the interest rate on this card for me. So it's actually lower than all of my other cards, which was great. So anytime I have to carry a balance, I can actually put it on this card and I don't really have to worry about, too much interest. Just as well as this card does give 2% on everything. So it is pretty competitive with the other cards. It's more than the cash rewards and the end rewards. And it's just neck and neck with the more rewards. So in conjunction with the more rewards, this is like a really good tag team because you get 3% on most of your common spend, and then here you're going to get 2% on everything else that's your uncommon spend. This is going to give you 3% on travel, which I think is amazing. When I got this card, it had a $500 sign up bonus, which was amazing. Then they came back and they offered Amazon Prime with it. I already had Amazon Prime, so it actually gave me $120 Amazon gift card. Plus, I was actually able to make the full 120 and make an extra $20 because they reimburse you for 120, even though the membership annually, if you buy it as an annual membership, is $100. So you actually made another 20 off of that deal. So that made this $620. Then on top of that, I was able to make another 100, what was it, 150, $200 off of getting global entry and TSA pre-check by having this card because they also get reimbursed and you get them for free. You know, bringing this card up to, $700, $800 in value, plus, the times that I've been able to cash it out for the rewards. So out of all of these cards, when I look back and I go through all these cards, it's very hard to pick a card. This one does have an annual fee. The rest of the cards don't. Monetarily, I've probably made the most back off of my flagship card. Intellectually, I would say I've made the most back out of my end rewards card. And, as far as rewards and daily spend, I'd say I've earned the most back out of my more rewards card. But as far as picking my top Navy Federal card, out of all of these cards, I would say that I'm gonna have to give it a tie, y'all. All right, and I'm gonna have to give it a tie between these two because you have to have the monetary value that that you can get out of the flagship if you're someone who travels. But I also think that your intellectual value is priceless, and as much as I've learned and grown from having this card, and moving into the other cards, I really just still can't throw this card out. So that's why I still have it. This is not an active card; it already graduated. I just really like this card that much, that I actually keep it around. So as always, you guys, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.